not that, okay, you're not coming with total surrender, please get out. No. Krishna is saying, welcome. तो कभी कभी लगता है ना, I am not pure. Can I go to Krishna? Krishna is saying, no, you are welcome. That is the point. What is saying? You are welcome. So this is a very important point. Here is saying, so 4 kind of people we can see, they surrender to Krishna. So generally in society, they are not pure. And what are the 4 kind? Janana, Sukrita, Arjuna. That is, we have Arto. Arto means in great pain. If he is pious. अगर वो pious नहीं है ना, दर्द में भगवान को श्राप देता है, प्रार्थना नहीं करता. You understand this? If he is pious, then only in difficulty he'll pray to the Lord. अगर pious नहीं है, जैसे अरे मैं इतना अच्छा आदमी, भगवान ने मेरे ऐसा क्या कर दिया, ठीक है? So that will not happen. So arto artharthi. Artharthi means wants money. Arto artharthi. So these 2 purposes generally is for a grahastha. Because grahastha has a responsibility. In that sense, there is an example, and Queen Kunti also prays. Prabhupada says, yes, sometimes grahastha has to pray, and that is natural for his family. But brahmachari should not ask for artho and artharthi. So renunciant, Prabhupada says, should be above these 2 principles. What are the 2 principles? Artho, artharthi. He should be above these 2 principles. Okay? Artho, artharthi. And a brahmachari should be in the principle of Jigyasu and Jnani. And I was seeing Shri Radha Govinda Ki. So I was seeing Prabhupada class on this. Prabhupada says that actually both are actually kind of Jnani only. Because both of them are trying to know about the Lord. This Jigyasu and Jnani is not much difference. He is inquisitive and he is in knowledge. So both are in a different categories of trying to acquire knowledge of God. Okay? So that is generally considered higher than previous one. Why? Because artho artharthi, when their problem is over, they run away. भगवान के पास कुछ इच्छा के लिए जाते हैं, भगवान ये चाहिए, मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया, क्या करते हैं? चले जाते हैं. दैट इज नॉट गुड. उनका अपना मतलब है, कुछ मतलब सॉल्व हो गया, गए. भगवान से कोई मतलब नहीं है उनका, अपना कुछ पर्सनल एम्बिशन है. आर्तो अर्थार्थी होता ना भगवान के पास. देयर इज अ फेमस, बहुत उसके लिए श्लोक भी बने हैं ना, दुख में भगवान की सब पूजा करते हैं, सुख में करे. एग्जाम होते हैं उस समय सारे स्टूडेंट्स मंदिरों के चारों तरफ घूमने लगते हैं. सो व्हेन दे आर इन प्रॉब्लम पीपल गो, बट पीपल जनरली डू नॉट प्रे व्हेन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. करेक्ट? सो दैट इज artho artharthi. So these people, when their problem is over, they run away. So the first 2 of the 2 categories, artho and artharthi, are inferior to jigyasu and jnani. Because jigyasu ज्ञानी जो है वो भगवान का ज्ञान प्राप्त करने के लिए भगवान के पास आया है. उसको भगवान का ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ तो वो भगवान के शरण से नहीं जाता, एंड वो एडवांस करता है. जैसे जनरली आप देखिए समाज में लाखों करोड़ लोग मंदिर जाते हैं, ऐसा तो कोई कमी नहीं है, जितने मंदिर हैं भीड़ लगी रहती है, लेकिन ज्ञान जीरो है. आप उसको कुछ पूछते, गीता में पता क्या है, कितने श्लोक तक मालूम नहीं होंगे, क्या मतलब है तो भूल जाओ. एक स्कूल गए थे भी, पूरा 7 चैप्टर उन्होंने नरेट कर दिया, पूरा क्लास ने 700 लोग इकट्ठा होके पूरा 7 चैप्टर थे चैंटेड. एक श्लोक का मतलब ना टीचर को मालूम है ना स्टूडेंट को मालूम है. Generally it is like that. ठीक है? They do not know. So then they remain inferior devotees. They remain, that is, they are devotees. भक्त तो है भाई, भगवान के शब्द रिपीट कर रहा है, but he is a neophyte devotee. But if he if he understands, then he will not go away. Therefore it is called Jigyasu and Jnani. He has some desire to know. ये भगवान क्या है? Generally they have no desire to know. Generally, there are people who have no desire to know anything about the Lord. They have no desire. तभी 1 मिनट गीता नहीं पढ़ेंगे, कोई इच्छा है ही नहीं कुछ जानने की, कुछ अच्छा नहीं है जानने की. Agree? But when they develop a desire to know about the Lord, they have clarification. Because ये philosophy इतना सुंदर है, आपको बहुत प्रश्न पढ़ेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे, it becomes more and more beautiful. Like in Bhagavatam, he says, your question is so glorious. Shukadeva Goswami says, Varyam eshate prashnaha krita loka hitam nirpaha. Your question is so glorious. So the discussion of Krishna consciousness amongst devotees becomes wonderful. So that discussion that is Jigyasu and Jnani. Correct? जब भी हम लोग इकट्ठे होते क्या करते हैं? ग्राम कथा करते हैं. नहीं. भगवद गीता में लिखा है बोधयस्तस परस्परम. Don't take any side. Even parties, don't take any side. Prabhupada says always, why should I say one set of rascals is better than another set of rascals? Why? If Krishna is in something, take his side. Otherwise, don't take that side. All are jokers. You'll be frustrated at the end. Te dvanda moha nirmuktam. We should be free from any dvanda in the mind. Mind should be very, very. Prabhuji has an experience, correct? Now elections are coming. Don't take any side. You will be very happy. Ek bari, then they are the other sort of joker. You cannot justify that fellow then. He is another joker. He is another joker. Why I say one set of rascal is better than Prabhupada says another set of rascal? Why? It's like we are interested in Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita because Krishna is there. That is also battle. Dvanda ho raha hai. Krishna is there. Take Krishna's side. Kabhi galat nahi hai. But other side, don't bother. Why you want to get involved in that unnecessarily dvanda? Te dvanda moha nirmuktam bhajante maam dhridavata. So free from dvanda, very peacefully, because if you want to chant Hare Krishna, you have to be free. Tridatapi sunichena tarorapi sayushana amanina manadena kirtane asadhari. Then we can peacefully sit and try to understand. And you try to understand Bhagavad Gita, you try to understand Bhagavatam, then person will never go away from devotion service. He will never leave devotion service. Because Jigyasu and Jnani is higher. आरतो अर्थार्थी मतलब कुछ उसको चिंता है, कुछ टेंशन है. Prabhupada says so many times, people come to Krishna consciousness, then what happens? The problem gets solved because Krishna consciousness is very powerful, correct? Many times people come, they are in some tension. The people come, they are in some depression. People come because financially there is a problem. People come because physically there is a problem. Arto artharthi. They come. When the problem is solved, they forget God. There are so many good examples of that, correct? That is lower level. But therefore, we should be on the higher level. Jigyasu and Jnani. So be on the, my request, be on the high level. It will be very, very productive. And as far as I can do as a temple to facilitate, Tuesday I am doing Chaitanya Charitamrita. One chapter, 7 to 8:30 here. Okay. Thursday I am doing Bhagavad Gita. Again 7 o'clock we start, 8:15, 8:30 what it takes. Saturday I am doing Bhagavatam. Okay? And Sunday we are doing Bhagavad Gita now Krishna Board. Now if somebody wants to has any Jigyasu and Jnani, tell me more than this what we can do. Full facility we have given. Correct? Because on your own, unless a taste comes, you will not be able to read. We need taste. किसी में टेस्ट होता है ना, बीच में से एक ऐसे लड्डू घर में रखें, कहीं जा रहे भी एक खा के निकल जाते हैं, because taste है. So if taste is there, we will definitely find time. The problem is that we have to create taste in these things. So we don't have. So together we do. That's why we practice Krishna consciousness together. Alone you cannot practice because you have no taste now. अगर आपको taste हो जाए ना, then you don't need any company. अकेले कर सकते हो. प्रभुपाद जी अकेले अमेरिका में बैठे जब कर रहे थे, क्यों? उनको टेस्ट है पूरा. He is a शुद्ध भक्ता of the Lord. You understand this point? But we cannot. We have to do it together. We need association to practice Krishna. अभी टेस्ट नहीं है, थोड़ा बंधन होना पड़ता है. इकट्ठे बैठे हैं कीर्तन कर रहे हैं, इकट्ठे बैठे हैं भागवत कर रहे हैं, अकेले रूम में बैठेंगे ना, अभी टेस्ट नहीं है. So this is actually facilitating. क्यों प्रभुपाद जी ने इतना अच्छा अरेंजमेंट किया है? He alone created the whole movement. Alone, one man. When he went to America, what is the condition? All around him, people are there with all unwanted taste. But just by association, he changed their taste. Okay, so it is not possible what Prabhupada did for us. So therefore, we should stay together. Staying together, there is a watch. जैसे कोई सिगरेट, अरे यार प्रभु जी सिगरेट पी रहे आप, क्या कर रहे हो? We protect each other. ऐसा होता है एक तरफ का एक तरफ, it becomes like a protection. We hold each other's hand. And then there is a saving. So this is a very nice, important point. Chaturvida bhajante maam. So Krishna, even though Krishna is described as Pavitra Paramam, Krishna is supremely, what is Krishna? Supremely pure. Paramam Pavitra is not ordinary Pavitra. What kind of Pavitra? Paramam. So you cannot go to Krishna if you are impure, but still go. Whatever condition you are in, go. That is the shloka of Bhagavatam. Akama sarvo kamo va moksha kamo udaridihi तीव्रेण भक्ति योगेन यजयत पुरुष परा. अकामा, आपके पास कोई डिज़ायर नहीं है. सर्व काम, आपके पास करोड़ों डिज़ायर है. अकाम सर्व काम वा मोक्ष काम, आपको मोक्ष चाहिए. अकाम सर्व काम वा मोक्ष काम उदार दिही. उदार दिही मीन्स इफ यू आर Prabhupada says उदार दिही मीन्स your intelligence is broad. तीव्रेण, with full enthusiasm, bhakti yogena, you serve the Lord. तीव्रेण भक्ति यजेत पुरुषम परम. ठीक है. So if you are intelligent, Purusha Param, the Supreme Lord, you should serve with full energy. Does not matter where I am situated. Many times we feel that, well, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. No. Does not matter where we are situated. We should with full enthusiasm take to devotion service. Then there is a hope of spiritual advancement. Otherwise it is very difficult. Prabhupada says, Krishna consciousness बहुत simple है. But we should not make joke of this process. It's a very, very simple process. इसको मजाक नहीं बना देना. So it does not matter in whatever condition we are in. Therefore, all we see is that the person is following rules and regulations. If he is following rules and regulations, it is guaranteed he is going to advance in spiritual line. If he is following rules and regulations, okay? It does not matter. What are the categories? Artho, Artharthi, Jigyasu. Does not matter. Abhi dil mein, some people extend it in another way. They say that we can maintain material desires. We should acknowledge that we have material desires. We can acknowledge. It's like when we are doing our self-analysis, when you take a thermometer, so we do see I have 103 degree, 104 degree temperature, correct? But there is no question of maintaining temperature. That is foolish. So there, ये मतलब कि मैं भौतिक इच्छाओं को maintain करके रखूँगा, ये तो पागलपन है. लेकिन जैसे टेम्परेचर देखते हैं तो क्या पता चलता है आपको? बहुत बुखार है. ठीक है ना? So it shows you how much I am sick. Then more seriously we should take the medicine. But we should never plan anything midway. Plan is always proper way. Plan is always to be a pure devotee. Na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim, kavitam jagadish kamaye, mama janmani, janmanishware bhavatad bhakti ahitu kitvayi. मेरा प्लान इससे कम कुछ नहीं है. मेरे को ना तो धन चाहिए, ना जन्म, ना तो मेरे को फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, ना धनम, ना जन्म, ना सुंदरी, ना मेरे को कोई सुंदर लड़की चाहिए पीछे भागने के, ना धनम, ना जन्म, ना सुंदरी, कविता व जगदीश काम ये, ममा जन्मनी जन्मनीश्वरे, बर्थ आफ्टर बर्थ, भवताद भक्ति हेतु की त्वयि, बर्थ आफ्टर बर्थ, माय लॉर्ड, आई वांट टू सर्व यू. ठीक है. सो दिस इज चैतन्य महाप्रभु's डिक्लेरेशन. एंड प्रभुपाद सेज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली, क्या बोलते हैं कि ही सेड मैंने तो बहुत लोग मेरे दुश्मन बन गए. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने खाली शुद्ध भक्ति को प्रमोट किया. आई गिव दिस एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी डीपली. प्रभुपाद जी इंडिया में थे, 40 साल उन्होंने मूवमेंट को इस्टेब्लिश करने का कोशिश किया. नॉट वन पर्सन केम फॉरवर्ड. प्रभुपाद जी डिड नॉट डाइल्यूट हिज मूवमेंट. मूवमेंट को डाइल्यूट नहीं किया उन्होंने. जस्ट लाइक, don't know to name, so many spiritual leaders today, they speak moral science. अच्छा हो, अच्छा रिलेशन में रहो, सबको रेस्पेक्ट करो, सबको दया करो. यही, इसके आगे एक शब्द नहीं बोलते. वो भीड़ इकट्ठी होती है, हाँ बड़ा अच्छा चीज़ बोल रहा है, बहुत अच्छा, अरे क्या बोल रहा है वो, मज़ा आ गया, बहुत ईजी है समझना उसको. हाँ भाई, डिड Prabhupada speak this? If he speak this, करोड़ों इकट्ठे होगा. दैट्स लाइक आई वाज जोकिंग टू डिवोटी, सम ऑफ देम सिंग वेरी नाइसली. मैंने बोला अगर आप फिल्म सॉन्ग गाओगे तो पूरा लाख लोग इधर इकट्ठा हो जाएगा. बट वी विल नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, विल स्टिल सिंग कृष्ण भजना ओनली. यू कम ऑन, नॉट, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज. यू अंडरस्टैंड? प्रभुपाद जी डिड नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, कंटिन्यूड स्पीकिंग ओनली कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस. यू रीड उनका बैक टू गॉडेड मैगजीन देखो, प्योर कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस. टारगेट ही बैक टू गॉडेड है. उसको देख के ही बहुत लोग भग जाएंगे. जब प्रभुपाद स्टार्टिंग मूवमेंट तो कुछ लोग बोले कि इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी गॉड कॉन्शियस कर दो, और लोग आएंगे. प्रॉपर से नो, माई टारगेट इज वेरी क्लियर फॉर कृष्णा कॉन्शियस. यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस पॉइंट. सो वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल that we are not going to dilute this movement. We fix on this movement. Our target is very clear, to become a pure devotee. There is no midway. There is only Prabhupada way. Our target remains pure to achieve pure devotional service, nothing less. And you're working on that target, definitely it takes time. Actually, it takes time to collect some sincere team. That all, whenever I analyze, we had a meeting in Bombay, I was seeing so many temples. I was seeing the temple continued in that way. Only reason the temple became successful when a sincere team formed. Then rest follows. All is needed is one sincere team is formed. नाटक नहीं चलता. नाटक में तुम वो, it will not last. नाटक will fizzle away in no time. That's what Prabhupada used to say when devotees told to Prabhupada, about time we see so many spiritual leaders become very famous. But if you study, critically analyze उनका philosophy, कुछ नहीं है उनका philosophy, कुछ है ही नहीं philosophy में. They कुछ नहीं बता रहे वो, ना तो आत्मा का ज्ञान ना भगवान का ज्ञान, but they become very popular. Prabhupada said, do not worry. They're like glowworms. Glowworms रात को दिखते हैं ना कुछ कीड़े. So they are like glowworms. Glowworms will not last, it will go away. So we should very patiently, we should execute Krishna consciousness. All actually, how it will explode, first very sincere set of devotee team has to be formed. Correct? So we should maintain principles and wait for that. Once you have, say, 40, 50 very sincere, serious followers, then it explodes. That's what I was discussing. They're not that, okay, just to become popular, just to have crowd, you dilute the principle. तब वो मजाक है, वो मजाक 2 दिन ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा. प्रभुपाद जी कितने बारी बताएं, जब तक भगवान की सेवा के लिए भाव नहीं होगा, वो मंदिर एक गोडाउन बन जाएगा. करेक्ट? भगवान की सेवा, और भगवान की सेवा का भाव कब आएगा? जब हम नियम पालन करोगे. नाटक नहीं है ये, भगवान का सेवा नाटक नहीं है. It's a very serious practice on the order of the Guru and Acharya. Just like Prabhupada has given, morning sadhana is there, evening sadhana is there, full day devotion service is there. That person is sincere now. So if you collect some 40, 50 very sincere group team is formed, then automatically that thing will develop. But patiently we have to wait for that. And every person knows he has to work on that. Correct? Yes, nobody, one man cannot do anything. Every person, it is easy to find fault with one person, but then what about I am doing? Am I becoming sincere? So when we become a team which is very sincere, bodhayastas parasparam, we are relishing, discussing Krishna consciousness, anybody comes, so nice, he also becomes attracted. Okay? So the naturally the movement grows. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.